Today, I'm going to show you Vidalgo, how it works, and how to use it. First, we have three main features. The first one is prompt to video, which I find the most used. It works similarly, except here you paste a link to an article, blog, news, etc. And finally, there's use my own script. Once you're done, just click Generate Video. Your video goes into the queue and shows up as processing below, so you can step away while it's being created. Keep in mind that your video expires after 1 month if you're a paying user, or 7 days if you're on the freemium plan. Of course, each video costs 100 Vita coins. That's all for this explanatory video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, or send feedback directly through the Vidalgo site. Enjoy, and goodbye.